Oh my gosh, you guys. It is May 9th, and this is what it looks like. This is crazy. Now, there have been interesting and out of character weather events in New Brunswick before. I remember one time my father telling me about there being a tornado in Tilly, which is near Perth Andover, that picked up a shed and moved it elsewhere. So sometimes weather events are really out of the ordinary. Can you guys think of any other times when we've had very odd weather? I know snow in May is pretty crazy. It's like a blizzard out here.